Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we are going to showcase our new startup called the Guinea Pig. The Guinea Pig is a technological test bed aimed at testing new and developing aerial technologies. What actually motivated us to come up with this solution is that after talking to enterprise level customers like DRDO and the Indian Army, we came to know that there is an excessive risk while product testing. While they test products which are developing and which have not been tested previously, there is a high risk of failure, which can lead to a huge amount of different losses like real estate loss and even the actual technology loss. Generally, they hire actual Indian Air Force airplanes while testing aerial technology, and those are really expensive. Even if they cannot afford that, all they can resort to is ground-based technology, ground-based technical test beds. And what that results in is not exactly the environment which they wanted for the technology that they had. So the solution which we have come up is has its roots in something called FPV, which is a growing industry in today's day and age. FPV basically means first person view. What exactly is FPV? Well, if you have played any sort of video game like COD, Call of Duty, or Black Ops, you play as in the sense of the actual soldier which is fighting in the game, or in other words, in a first person view. So FPV is exactly that. You will get the experience of flying the unmanned aerial vehicle as if you are actually sitting in the aerial vehicle. So let us take a quick look at the technology that we use to provide such FPV drones. It uses brushless motors, 3D printed TPU parts, an analog video system consisting of a video antenna, an analog NTSC or PAL camera, and an analog video transmitter. It has an approximate range of 30 to 40 kilometers. It also consists of carbon fiber frame and stack including an STM32F7 processor and 32-bit electronic speed controllers. It also uses an ELRS based radio transmission system which has a range of approximately 50 kilometers. So why is our solution better than the competition? Well, we don't know about the competition, but our drones weigh as less as 700 grams. In some cases, according to the user requirement, even 30 grams. And with that weight, some of the drones can carry a payload of up to 4 to even 11 kilograms. That is a lot. And almost all of them have a line of sight range of more than 30 kilometers and flight time of more than 20 minutes. And the most mind-blowing part, it has an average speed of more than 250 kilometers per hour. And each build requires the customer to pay as less as $650. So basically, our products are extremely cost efficient, and the best part about us is that we have commitment to startup technology, and it is not necessary. And as we have already worked on it, we are passionate about this, and we will never let this go. So why will the customer offer our solution? Well, as shown in the previous slides, our solution is it is on a very personal level, and thus it becomes more flexible and more tailored towards the user's use case. At the same time, it is also less expensive, a lot less expensive. Well, is this a good time to come up with this solution? Definitely. Since this problem is relatively new, it will be easy to tackle. Also, FPV industry is grossly unexplored, and thus if we come up with a solution right now, we will go far and far. Also, since the monopoly is less, we can work with a lot of business and hobby grade level enthusiasts. So here is our market. Our TAM is 2 billion, SAM is 100 million, SOM is 5 million with 2 years and 12 million within 4 years. So our target customers ranges in a lot of people, young technological developers to military procurements and also Gen Z researchers and even individual college students. So our customer interaction has been divided into three types: enterprise, startups, and individuals. And to to enterprise people, we come up with pitching past successes, presentations, and dynamic industry need. For startups, we have mobile apps, websites, and dynamic industry needs also. For individuals, we can connect to them on a personal level, and we can also give college pitches. Here's the competition grid. If you want to take a look at it, it basically shows our turnover and our service reliability. Anyways, the Porter's 5 forces are here as follows. Our main part is the finances. So we expect a gross profit margin of approximately 57.14% every year. And after 3 years, our profit will be approximately 61 crores. Our business model canvas is here. So currently we have achieved workshop readiness, manufacturing setup ready, workforce ready, and we are also ready to take any type of orders within word of mouth. Going forward, we look ahead for delivery partner setups, business infrastructures, website, and developing a mobile application also for startup levels. So meet our team. We have Sutanshu Gumma, who is the technology and manufacturing head, and Raja Modi, who is finances and relations head. Finally, we request you for a total requirement of 13.96 lakhs for our startup, and I bet this will be one of the best investments you will ever make, since this, I promise you, this will go a lot forward. Thank you.